Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change Uber Eats bicycle to car. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, we simply got to go ahead and contact the customer support regarding that, or we can go ahead access the change delivery method on the browser of yours. Open it up and type in Uber Eats change delivery method, and you will get this particular website. Now when you tap on it, you should have an article right over here. Since it is not available in my country, I do not have that. As you can see, it's not working out for me, but you will find a literal article regarding this. And when you scroll down, you will find options like bikes, and you will find light vehicles like scooters. Turn on the light vehicles, toggle on, and then scroll down, and right over there you should be able to attach a picture regarding your, or if not, then you should be able to write down a request for you. Write it down that you would like to change your Eats bicycle to car because you have upgraded it and you would like to change it, and that's how you can send them. It will take quite a time for them to confirm it. It can be a long process. But if there is another way that will be easier for you, which is creating another Uber Eats account and choose car as the delivery method at first. That's easy to assemble your account and let the account work right away. So just create another account and you're good to go. You will have a bicycle account, you can delete that as well and just keep the car one, or you can have both of them. That is it. That's the easy way out. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.